This is how millions of tons of tomatoes are turned into ketchup every single year. Using machines so powerful they can harvest an entire field in minutes. But here's something most people don't know. Tomatoes aren't even vegetable, they're fruits. And behind this simple fruit is a massive global industry. Starting in high-tech nurseries, where thousands of plants are grown and even grafted by machines, handling up to 4,000 plants every hour. From there, they're planted by precision machines, grown under controlled conditions, and finally harvested by giant systems that sort, clean, and load over 20 tons at a time. This is the complete journey, from seed to ketchup. It all begins inside modern greenhouse nurseries, where tomato production is carefully engineered from the very start. Seeds are placed into trays filled with nutrient-rich growing media, and every detail, from temperature to humidity, is controlled to create the perfect conditions for germination. Within just a few days, the first green shoots begin to appear. At this stage, consistency is everything. Each plant must grow at the same rate, with the same strength, to ensure uniform harvesting later in the field. But modern farming goes even further. Instead of relying on a single plant, farmers combine the strengths of two different plants through a process called grafting. One plant is chosen for its strong roots and disease resistance, while the other is selected for producing high-quality fruit. Together, they create a more powerful and productive plant. In large-scale nurseries, this process is no longer done entirely by hand. Automated grafting machines now handle thousands of plants every hour, some reaching speeds of over 4,000 plants. These machines cut and join stems with incredible precision, creating perfectly aligned grafts in seconds. At the same time, advanced camera systems scan each plant, detecting weak stems, damage, or imperfections. Any plant that doesn't meet the standard is removed immediately. After grafting, the plants are placed in controlled healing environments where humidity and temperature are carefully adjusted. This allows the grafted stems to fuse together, forming a single, strong plant. Once fully healed, they are ready for the next stage, planting in open fields. This is where another level of efficiency comes into play. Modern planting machines move across the fields, automatically creating perfectly spaced holes in the soil. Workers sit on the machine, feeding seedlings into rotating systems that place each plant into the ground with precision. What once required dozens of workers can now be done by just a few people, planting thousands of tomato plants in a single day. As the plants grow, farmers use advanced irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots. Drip irrigation ensures minimal waste while providing each plant with exactly what it needs. Fertilizers are often applied through the same system, allowing precise control over nutrients. Sensors in the soil monitor moisture levels, while drones and satellite imaging help track crop health across entire fields. Over time, the plants begin to produce clusters of tomatoes, starting green and gradually ripening into a deep, vibrant red. This stage is critical. Farmers must wait until the majority of tomatoes reach the perfect level of ripeness before harvesting begins. In large-scale farming, entire fields are harvested at once, making timing one of the most important decisions in the process. And this is where the most impressive machines take over. Massive harvesters move through the fields, cutting the plants and separating the tomatoes in one continuous motion. Machines like the Guaresi double-row harvester are capable of processing huge volumes in a short time. As tomatoes move through the machine, built-in systems remove dirt, stems, and unwanted material. One of the most advanced features is the electronic color sorter. Using sensors and cameras, the machine instantly identifies ripe red tomatoes and separates them from green or unripe ones. The green tomatoes are rejected and left behind, while only the best quality fruit continues forward. From there, conveyor belts transfer the tomatoes directly into large trailers moving alongside the harvester. Each trailer can carry up to 22 tons of tomatoes. Once full, they are quickly transported to processing factories. Speed is essential because tomatoes must be processed as soon as possible to maintain quality. At the factory, the transformation begins almost immediately. The tomatoes are unloaded, washed thoroughly, and sorted once again. From here, they are divided into different processing lines depending on their final use. Some tomatoes are prepared for canning. They are peeled, cut, and sealed into cans, preserving their freshness for long-term storage. These canned tomatoes are used in kitchens around the world, forming the base for countless dishes. Others are used to produce ketchup, one of the most widely consumed tomato products. The tomatoes are crushed into a pulp and heated to break down their structure. The mixture is then filtered to remove seeds and skins, creating a smooth, thick base. This base is blended with ingredients like vinegar, sugar, and spices to create the signature flavor of ketchup. The mixture is carefully cooked to achieve the right consistency, then cooled and packaged into bottles ready for distribution across the globe. What started as a tiny seed in a controlled greenhouse has now become a finished product found in homes, restaurants, and stores everywhere. On a global scale, this process happens millions of times over. Countries like the United States, China, and Italy produce vast quantities of tomatoes every year, supporting both fresh markets and large processing industries. Without modern technology, this level of production simply wouldn't be possible. Tomatoes are not just important for their scale, they're also incredibly valuable nutritionally. They are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and a powerful compound called lycopene, which is known for supporting heart health and overall wellness. From high-tech nurseries and precision planting machines to massive harvesters and advanced processing factories, the journey of the tomato is a perfect example of how modern agriculture combines science, technology, and human effort. And the next time you see a bottle of ketchup, remember, behind it is a story of millions of plants, powerful machines, and one simple fruit that feeds the world. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible journeys from farm to table.